Hello everyone, my name is Kedan Fernandez. I am 18 years old. I am a national powerlifter and a bodybuilder. So I have won 5 national championships for Goa, and I am 27 times state gold medalist and 2 times zonal champion. In 2023, I became the first strongman winner for Goa. There was no one who ever won this title, but it was me who won it for the first time for Goa in the year 2023. And with this, I even got selected for 3 Asian championships, as I won my Jharkhand championship, national championship, my Maharashtra national championship, and my Tamil Nadu national championship. So because of this, I was selected for Asians, but I was unable to play for Asians due to the amount which was asked to me for playing the Asian championships, which was like above 3 lakhs per championship, which was not affordable for me to represent at that level. Till now, no, I have not got any support from the government. Even when we are going to represent the state for national level and all, there's like nothing provided to us. Even if they are telling us that they are giving us the train tickets or anything, they are still asking us for the charges for the train ticket. Even if they are telling us that we will provide you the stay, they are asking us for the charges for the stay. And even the food, like it's everything that we have to like spend over there, right from the staying, food, and even playing for the national, the registration fees which are there. The state is not providing us anything. Even the registration fees has been like taken from us only. So like there's no point of saying that it's a national representation over there. It's like we are going private and we are playing private over there. So my main target is not just about the certificates and the medals, but it's more about motivating the youth which is there today, which is not going on the right track. Most of the youth which are, I would say, like which I know, like my friends also, they are not into fitness. They are more of like they are getting addicted to drugs, alcohol. These are the common things that are coming up now, and youth are completely going towards that direction instead of following the correct path. And this is what I want. Like I just don't want to like make a big show off of my things, but what I want is everyone to come in this field, like not just in the powerlifting field, but at least to maintain their fitness. And as Sir Warren, like he's 38 years old now, but he's still maintaining his fitness. Like as he told me, like he goes for his walk for 10 kilometers per day and everything. Like at his age, he's doing so much. So what I'm trying to say is, why are not today's youth doing all this? This is the age when they can like they show their best, but are not doing anything. So what I want to do is like at least motivate them and pull them towards this field so that they can change their life and they can at least follow some good path.
ना पयलीं तो म्हाका बेश्टो सिंपल करून दिसलो. मागीर हांवें म्हळें भुरगेंपण इश्टें गेलें कोण दिया ताका. मागीर तो मुखार गेलो. मागीर तें मुखार तो कॉम्पिटिशन वचपा लागलो. मागीर तेगे डायट इशी तेजी चड जावपा लागलें. आनी तें डायट तेगेलें खंयच्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक लागता ते भाशेन तेगे डायट करपा पडटा. म्हणजे चड एक्सपेन्सीव आनी तें म्हाका जायना. मागीर तेणें मुखार तो गेलो आनी मागीर म्हाका कळ्ळें तो एक्सपर्ट रावतना रावता एसमान तो आनी सोडपा ना म्हणून. आनी म्हणटा म्हळ्यार खरें तो मुखारू गेलो आनी तें म्हाका इतलें डिफिकल्ट जाता तेगे तें डायट करपाक. जायते भशेन तेगे डायट करपा पडना. तो सांगो ते भाशेन करपा पडना, पूण तें म्हाका बरें डिफिकल्ट जाता. आनी एकदां हांव तें हॅपी अशें हांव म्हणजे तो मुखार गेल्लेस म्हणून हांव हॅपी जाता. कित्याक तो तूं आपल्यागे तूं डिफिकल्ट डायट करून तो जिखोन येता. केन्ना तो जिखनासो येयलो ना, सदां जिखोनूय येता. म्हणजे तो हांव कोते भाशेन तो जैता, कोते भाशेन हांव सांगता, कितलेंय ताका सांग पूण तो आयकना. म्हणजे म्हाका तें कळ्ळें तो एक्सपर्ट हांव एकदम.
आयज बरो दीस चिल्ड्रन्स डे. चिल्ड्रन्स डेया दिसा हांव एक सारको एसलो एथलीटाक घरा पावलो. आमगे बाणाले गांवचो केडन हो भुरगो इतलो मेहनत कोता, इतलो कोस्ट कोता, पूण at one time I'm myself feeling a bit embarrassed की आमी बाणाल गांवांत कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसून हो भुरग्याक हांव अजून आज टील नाव वाय हॅव नॉट मेट हिम. अजून कित्याक मेळना. हे भुरग्यागे जर तर तुवें एकम्प्लिशमेंट चोयले आनी कितलो एकम्प्लिश केला हे एजीचे. केडन म्हणटा तो भुरगो इज ओनली 18 years old. ही इज गोना टर्न 19 in a few days. पूण हे एजीचे एकलो कोणाकलो सपोर्ट ना. खंयचो एमएलएन केन्ना सपोर्ट केलो ना. तेगे मायन पायन तेगे फॅमिलीन कोस्ट कोन्न हे भुरग्याक वयर काडला आनी कोस्ट कोन्न हे भुरग्याक तेगे मेड इन ड्रीम बट दे कम्स अ पॉइंट, एक टाइम येता माय पायकोडे जात तितूले माय पाय आपल्या भुरग्या लागून जाय तितू कोताय. हाऊ मच दे कॅन दे विल डू, बट एक लिमिट आसता. त्या टायमा केडनागले फ्रेंडान केडना मुझे बरे हाडलो आनी म्हणपालो सर वॉरन एस आहा हे भुरग्याले. हांवें जेन्ना हें आयकिलें आय कुड नॉट बिलीव दॅट केडन हॅज अकम्प्लिश्ड सो मच विदाउट गव्हर्मेंट सपोर्ट, विदाउट representation of the MLA support, without anyone's support, only on the support of his family and his strong, firm belief in himself. Kedan, 21 times state champion. 21 times. 3 पाटी तो एशिया सिलेक्ट जाला, पूण पयशा लागून आयज दूख लागता म्हाका हें म्हणपाक, पूण पयशा लागून तेकोडे एशिया रिप्रेझेंट करूं जालें ना गोंयांक. हें आमकां गोंयकारांक, गोंयची गव्हर्मेंटा सरकारा आमकां म्हाका खूद एक लॉज की आमी एसो भुरग्याक वयर वचपाक दिनाय म्हणून आमी.
पैशा लागून कित्याक?
पयशा लागून ते एशिया लेवलार जर तो वचपा आहा, इफ यू हॅज टू गो, तेगे असोसिएशनान सांगलें की तेमी 3 लाख भरू पडले. हुंयसून भोंवतलो भुरगो 3 लाख, हेगे माय हुंयसून हाडटली ते 3 लाख. अरे हो जो फिल्ड आहा पावर लिफ्टिंग, वेट लिफ्टिंग, इंतू कोस्ट भरपूर लागताय. ते बिस्ते जिमा वचून डांबेल उबान तेजे जायना. ते डायट आहा, डायटीचे कितले पयशे, रात फोडू पडटा, दीस फोडू पडटा. ती बिस्ते शीतकोडीचे तो बॉडी जायना तेगेली ती गोटसान ती दुसरी भाशेन. आनी तूं तो गोंय रिप्रेझेंट कोता, गोंयकारां आमक रिप्रेझेंट कोता. तो बिस्तो थोडे मनशां रिप्रेझेंट कोना, आमगे फूल स्टेटा रिप्रेझेंट कोता तो भुरगो. हांवें आनता तेगे हांव आनता एक वर मायजू बसवला तेगे फॅमिली बारा. तेगे हांवें सर्टिफिकेट चोयले भुरग्याल्यो, तुवें चोयलाय खूद तेगे मेडल चोयलाय. म्हाका आय एम फिलिंग प्राऊड that Kedan is from our constituency and he is from Goa. म्हाका केडनागे भुरग्याचे करियरा बरा हेडपा नाका, म्हाका हें पॉलिटिकल करू नाका. हांव तेका 19th or 20th हांव तेका चीफ मिनिस्टरा बरोबर देखून हांवें अपॉइंटमेंट गेल्या. हांव तेका मेडयतलो सीएमाक, आनी सीएमान खूद चोयन दी हे सर्टिफिकेट, हे मेडल, ह्यो सगळ्यो ट्रॉफी हे भुरग्या कडेन आनता. तेगेले 28th or 29th तेगे चॅम्पियनशीप आहा ते गोंया, थिंग जिखल्या. दिस सन ऑफ द सॉयल, आमगे बाणालेचो भुरगो, ही कॅन रिप्रेझेंट ऑल ऑफ अस फॉर द एशिया लेवल चॅम्पियनशीप. आय हॅव प्रॉमिस्ड केडन दॅट एज मच एज आय कॅन आय विल हेल्प हिम. मुको कॅपॅसिटी आहा ते भाशेन हांव हेल्प कोतलो, पूण आमकां सगळ्यांक जायो की केडन बिकम्स वन रोल मॉडेल फॉर द कमिंग यूथ. केडन जर तर हाल रोल मॉडेल, केडन जर तर हाल एशियासून जिखून येयलो, कितली भुरगीं बाणालेची न्हू गोंयची सगळीं भुरगीं केडनाचो ते देखून हाल्या, यू नो दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू इट. आनी ही फील्ड जो तो वयता, इट इज फिटनेस, हेल्थ. भुरगो रायट रस्त्याचेर वयता, he is not going into a wrong direction. So we have to encourage this. I will encourage Kedan and I will motivate and promote Kedan as much as I can in my capacity, because I want to help him from all my heart, because I have seen the difficulty his mother is also going through, and the difficulty Kedan, when I speak to him, I get to know the difficulty. He wants to do something for the state, for him, for all of us. So I will completely promote Kedan, and I have assured him that my 100% full support for Kedan.